What's up, everybody? What's up, what's up, what's up? How's everybody doing today? You guys ready to grind? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, cred hits? What a time to be alive. That's funny. Yeah. Ghost Asphalt, if you're looking for some grammar work, we did some on Monday. I didn't prep anything for the stream today. Yeah. Normally I am pretty good at prepping at least something. Today I didn't prep anything. There wasn't an option to wait for the stream because I was so behind. I didn't even put up a thumbnail. I didn't even schedule the stream. I was kind of so far behind, and not because I was busy either. It's just, I don't know. I was just procrastinating. You know what I mean? You want to do some circle stuff, some variable stuff, maybe some inequality stuff. What's up, Rodney? Oh, increase mic. Let me just turn this down actually, because the mic is about as increased as it goes actually. So yeah. All right, bros. So what's up? Happy Wednesday, everybody. It's October 9th. The test is on the 26th and the 27th. Yeah, we will not be doing age games. Yeah. Good old games, we can do that. Difficult exponents, yeah, we can do that in Furnace. All right, cool. So listen, dude, I found this old beat of mine. Look at how serious this is. How serious is this? I don't even know what to use it for. Is there a final countdown video or something? No, we're not gonna do age games, so don't worry, April. Last day tomorrow, what do you mean, bro? Yeah, what am I gonna use this for? Chill and literally do nothing? Yeah, we can chill and literally do nothing. Alright, I'm gonna play that's done with that song. Nah, there we go. Alright, so I do have some stuff to give to you guys to at least work on. Yeah, I know it is really dramatic. Oh, really, Tejas? All right, well, Tejas is saying in the chat that you guys got to sign up by tomorrow. Yes, I can save you, Shad. Intensity intensifies. Okay, so someone sent me this problem via email, and it was a broken problem, but I should do that. Dude, I should use that when everybody fails the question. I'm gonna be like a DJ over here. All right. So I was sent this question, but it was a broken question, but I fixed it. And I think it's a really good question, actually. I was like, okay. So let me just finish kind of tweaking it up here really quick so that for sure it's what would that be? A2, okay. That would work. So then we'll just say that here is okay. We'll just do this one. I don't want to make this too easy for you guys. All right, are you guys ready? Getting your ticket tomorrow? Oh yeah. 2D. That's funny, Tejas. Okay, cool. So dudes, here we are. Welcome to the SHSAT stream. If this is your first one, what's up? We're gonna be going through some problems today, and here's the first one. So I want to know what x equals. What does x equal, guys? Let's get it. I'll give you guys ooh, you know what? I'm going to put the timer on. Great. I'll give you guys a minute and a half. This one is difficult though, straight up. This isn't just stay sharp with this one, bros. You sent this question, Rizzy? It's broken. Whoever gave this question to you, you should tell them that it's broken. It doesn't work. Just the way that that sheet that you had sent me had it. What was your question, Shad? I'll pull it up on my email. I'm trying to remember what it was. Oh, dude, I still haven't figured that one out, so I don't want to do that one yet. I think there might be something else to it, or it may just be a broken question, Shad. Yeah. Should I zoom in? All right. That should be good. All right. Cool. That should be good. All right, so we're getting some answers up in here. I don't want to write it down because I don't want to like take up pages of the sheet, but just know that if you did answer, shout out to you. Because I just don't want to write down this sheet. Like I don't know if you guys can tell from the sound of my voice, but I'm like in complete lazy mode. Yeah, so a lot of people are coming in with 3. A lot of people are coming in with 3. Okay. So all I gotta say though, bros, is let's look at this right triangle. If this angle of 80 creates a side length of 3, then does this angle of 40 also create a side length of 3? How about that? How about you think about that one? The triangles are similar. Yes, they are. Does anyone remember the exact definition of similar triangles? Dude, I don't think anybody's gotten it yet. Whoa. Dude, dramatic music time? Yes. Can anyone solve this problem? The problem that seems impossible. The answer is not 3. It's not going to be 6. What could it potentially be? Okay. Ooh. All right. I see it now. I finally see the correct answer. All right. So that's enough. We don't need dramatic music if the correct answer is in the chat. All right. So that's from Huh. I got 1.5 from Huh. So guys, let me show you why similar triangles are so difficult and why I really recommend splitting them up whenever you get them. So let's first split up these triangles so that we can just look at them objectively. So here's the first one, and here is the second one. All right, chill. 80, 60, this is 40, and this is 80. All right, cool. So now I'm going to rotate this triangle. Now we can fill this in, because if the whole thing adds up to 180, this has to be 40, and this has to be 60. So we're good to go on that. I'm going to put the 80 in the bottom right corner, and look what happens, dudes. Have you ever seen this before? Yes, these triangles are similar, but this is a reflection of this. Ooh, and the axis of symmetry is right here. So what you need to do is flip this one over, flip this triangle over. Do you know what I'm saying? It's not going to change the triangle. You just got to flip it over. So now we can actually compare these two. 40, 60, 80, and then this after the flip will be 80, 60, 40. All right, so that's so chill. So now let's see if we can plug in our numbers. So let's start with this big triangle on the left. Across from the 80 is 6 feet. So across from 80, 6 feet. Across from the 60, 4 feet. So that's going to be 4 right there. Then for the smaller triangle, across from the 80 is 3 feet. And across from the 40 is X feet. Oh, and across from the 40 on this one, obviously that's 3 feet right there. So this is going to be 3 feet right here. Now it's super easy to compare your triangles. Super easy. Whoa. It's super easy because we know that this angle that's opposite of 80 is 6, turns into a 3. So this side length opposite of 40 is also going to be halved. 1.5. Yeah, and got that one. That's what's up. So yeah, got 1.5, dude. Nice, bro. That's really nice. So dudes, whenever you have similar triangles, like a lot of times here, let me give you guys another similar triangle once. Because if you break the triangles apart, it becomes super obvious what you need to do. So that's what I'm like super recommending for you guys. So wow, redemption time. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Dude, really nice. Dude, Tejas, we're not gonna do trig, dude. Okay, cool. So good job, shout out to for real, dude. That's really good, dude, that you got 1.5. Nice. Yeah, shout out to Shad for being supportive. Okay, so let me give you another similar triangle problem so you can see what I'm talking about. When you have to, I know I'm not using my ruler. When you have to, that's actually not that bad without a ruler. So let's actually make it hard for you bros. All right, how about something like that? All right, so let me actually add some numbers here. Okay, so let's see. Uh, mm, so that would be 18. Okay, that's pretty good so far. D, E. Okay, and then I'll also give you, what else can I give you? I'll give you that side. I'll give you BD. Okay, here's your question, bros. Actually, you know what? Let's get it with this. Oh no. Hold on, dudes. My phone just ran out of or energy or memory space, and so it won't let me even look through the viewfinder of my phone. What tragedy. Hold on. I can't believe that. I have to like delete a ton of photos. Mostly they're just videos, like 3 minute, like most of my phone is just 3 minute long videos of top down a math problem. That's like 90% of what's inside my phone. Wow, there's a lot of them. All right, so those will be deleted. Delete immediately. All right, sorry. Not the most professional start to a stream for sure. Whatever. Okay, so we're back. All right, so here's the problem. Let's get started. I'll give you guys like, I know, big oof. So yeah, let's get it. 2 minutes. Yeah, Trig is not going to be on the SHSAT. What a time to be alive. Phoenix, I have an iPhone. I think it's like an iPhone 7 or 6 or something. I don't know. It's an OG. Yeah, it does. That sub thing is just like a little thing for me. 3 plus 4 equals X. Find Y. Y is 7. Yeah, dude. Honestly, my camera roll is like 0% scandalous. All it is just math problems and like ELA problems that I send my students. All right, so I'll give you guys like another like 30 seconds on this one. I think it's hard. Oh, I forgot to tell you the most important part. I'm so dumb. Most important part. I am so sorry. And then we know that, let's say we know that AE is parallel to BD. All right. Now we can actually play as if it's like a similar triangle here. So I'm going to restart the timer just because I'm dumb. Let's get it. Minute and a half. Let's go. Zrizzy and Cred got 7.5, but does that change that answer? Does this new piece of information changes your guys' answer? Okay. 7.5. We got Cred, and we got, who is that? Zrizzy? Got you, Zrizzy. And Rodney? Nice. Astalabor? Nice. I think I added an extra L to your name. Okay, 2.5 for Saggy. All right. Anybody else? Henry. Henry, Zrizzy wants a redo. Sorry, bro. Tejas is going to bandwagon. Nice. All right, cool. Dude, is absolutely tearing it up. That was so good, dude. Malik. Or Malek. Shad. Ooh, dude, the regret is so real. But dude, on your test, you're gonna put the answer and you're gonna move on to the next one. That's all I'm saying, bro. 30 more seconds. Xiao. All right, where Laurel, dude, Laurel's back in the mix. Skills, what's up, Skills? Skills is a real OG. Skills has his own speed run through. Nahar. Okay, cool. Nice. Leo, April. dude. Okay, that's enough time, by the way. Leo, April, Ghost. All right, dude. A lot of people are crushing up on this, dude. Nice. Skills, got it. Ghost, yep. Thanks, introvert. Yeah, dude, definitely. Brielle, Phoenix. Okay, cool. So most people ended up on this, and even the people, Brielle, even the people that ended up over here, you do have some merit to your answer. You just got curved ball. You just got curved, dude. No shame in that. No shame in that, dude. Don't be scared, Shad. I was actually going to do like a life advice section today, and just be like, dude, honestly, you guys have 2 weeks or like a week and a half or whatever. You need to now start wrapping your head around it. Because if you don't think about the test, or if you shove it away from your thought process for like a week and a half, then when it actually comes up, you're going to be like running from it. So definitely prepare yourself now. And just realize that every single person who's going to be taking the test against you has to go through the same thing. So it's not like, I basically am just, what I'm saying is like, just, get your mind right now. It's a hurdle that people have overcame in the past, and you can overcome it too. So let's go through this one. Obviously, we got some similar triangles here, and I'm going to break them up because I would be a hypocrite if I didn't, because I just told you guys that you should. So there we go. We know that BD is 13. That's this little guy right here. Oh, that's nope. That's this big guy right here. Oh no, that was that little guy right there. Oh man. Working in pen, bros. R.I.P. me. CD is 5, so that's the little guy. AC is 18, that's this big guy. But dudes, if you know the Pythagorean theorem, you can obviously cop a 12 there. And 12 going to 18 would be times 1.5. So from 5 to this would be times 1.5, or 7.5. And that's why I think these guys threw this answer down in there, because they're like, all right, 7.5, bang, we're done. But nah. I'm looking for DE. Bruh. Just right in here. Oof. So yeah, the whole thing is 7.5, but this guy right here is 5, so that means that's 2.5. And look at these absolute legends. Wow. What a time to be alive. All right, cool. Chill. So yeah, dude, just don't get tripped up with similar shapes. They're generally pretty easy once you break them apart. Yeah. Oh, you took a really hard practice test, huh? Dang, man, that does look hard. But sometimes test prep companies do that, where they give you like a mad hard test just to kind of like humble you a little bit. You know what I mean? Just to like keep you on your grind type thing. Yes, thank you, Laurel. I appreciate that. Yeah. But dudes, actually, when you guys get into a specialized high school, like I'm going to be, as soon as like November or December hits, I'm going to transition this channel to an SAT channel too. So you guys can study. Are similar shapes going to be in the SHSAT? Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. So just be on the lookout for those. Yeah, dude. Actually, Rachel, I 100% agree, dude. The harder the test, the better it is for you guys who have studied. The easier the test, the easier it is for people who haven't studied to get a good grade. So you guys are like, if you get an easy test, I tell my students, that's when you should be panicking. If you get a hard test, that's when you can like kick it and just like make sure you're correct. But yeah, if you get an easy test, that means people in the room are going to have an easier time getting a high score, and that makes it harder for you to differentiate yourself. So yeah, we're going to have an updated Kaplan HHSAT test, 5 questions. Yeah, it could be because it's harder, but they also could like curve your score up. Is there any cram material? No, not like that's outside of my website or whatever. Yeah, I should make people pay for life advice? No way. Everything's for free, bros. I got you guys. I got your back, basically. Yeah, exactly, because of calibration too. Right, because if you get a really hard test, like I should probably, again, kind of highlight the curve, how this goes. But if you get an easy test, you should be freaking out, because then that means that you can't mess up any multiplication or any addition. Because if you get here, let me show you how curves work for the most part. So if you have a curve like this, let me show, and I made a video about this, but I think it's worth repeating. You have 2 test takers, right? And let's just say we're just looking at the math section, just their math scores. Let me zoom out a little bit. Cool. So we're just looking at their math scores generally. Let's say, let me just draw a little guy. Let me draw another little guy. Look at that. This guy's all happy. He's excited. Okay, cool. So let's say that this guy got a really hard test and this guy got a really easy test. Well, chances are that if this guy got a really easy test, the scores, if this is 100% and this here is 50%, and this is like how many, this is the number of people who got the score. So a very easy test, a ton of people are going to be getting a really high score. Super hard test, not that many people are going to be getting a high score. But what they're going to do is they're going to curve you down. So if you get a really hard test and you only get a 50%, or if you get a really easy test and let's say you kind of feel like you crushed it and you got like a 75% in comparison, that's going to get curved down because they're going to normalize these curves. So this mark actually comes over here. And this mark actually comes down over here. So this guy ended with a better than 75% of everybody else, where this guy ended better than 50% of everybody else. So even if you get a really hard test and you feel like you flunked it, chances are you actually have a better shot than somebody else who got a really, really easy test. So just keep that in mind. Like, it's all a strategy, bros. It's all a strategy. Yeah, the bottom guy is dabbing, but that's an ironic or a tragic dab because, you know, we as the audience know that he actually got a worse score, even though he felt like he crushed it in comparison. Yeah, thanks, Rachel. Yeah, I've been trying to work. I paid this guy like so much money to teach me how to do art, and he taught me some pretty good skills. Obviously a lot of expression there, a little sadder there. He got his hand on the underside of his head. He doesn't really have a body. Okay, so yeah, just with scoring, if you get a really easy test, you need to get like legit. If you get a super easy test, you need to get legit like a 95%, and that should freak you out. Whereas if you have a hard test, you can get like a 60% and be the exact same as the other people. So yeah, yeah, is 97 out of 114 good? That's pretty solid, man. I would keep pushing though. I would definitely keep pushing. Yeah, it's the only, exactly. You should really be hoping that you have like a difficult test. All the tests I got won't show you the score unless you pay. What site is that? Bronx Science with 460. Really? That's in the cutoff score? That's crazy. Yeah, I feel more than a Rembrandt. Thanks, April. Yeah. So, dude, you guys definitely need to be looking and hoping for a really hard test because that's generally how it goes down. Why is the curve for the second graph going past 100? I don't know, bro. Because I didn't really focus on drawing it correctly. Yeah, dude. Hopefully you do get an SAT hard test. Program for SAT? Ooh. Well, I'm going to be starting on the SAT after October, so you can always just come back to the live streams, bro. Is 102 out of 114 a good test? Yeah, depending on your distribution. If you got a 57 out of 57 in math, then you're golden. Why can't they give the same test to everyone? Because there's a morning and afternoon test, and there's 2 days of tests. So, yeah. Dude, nice, Rachel. Okay, cool. Extra credit? There is no extra credit. Oh, she got into discovery. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, cool. So yeah, that's how these go. That's how the grading goes. But yeah, for the test, dudes, now is the time to get your head right. Not next week when all your friends are freaking out. Now is the time to wrap your head around this test and wrap it around so you can be like, you can do it. It's not something that nobody's done before. You know what I mean? Like, so just rest assured, you're not alone in that way. A lot of people are feeling the same way you are. You're not like freaking out when everybody else is like really cool and relaxed and calm. No, dude. So just keep it chill. How come nobody ever got 800? That's because the max was never really 800, but they only told us that this last year. The max was always like 7. Like I had students who got 700s, and I was like, dude, that's really great, but you didn't get a perfect. Well, it turns out they might have actually. 5 months to convert. Yeah, dude, it takes 5 months. Cred hits. They're late. Yeah, so cool, man. Leo cares. Thanks, man. Thanks, Leo. Okay, so we can work on some ratio problems. We can work on some harder word problems if you guys want as well. There's a lot of stuff we can work on, but I'll take some suggestions. We probably can't do circles today just because we've done them so much. Practice skills. Let's see. How do I get the last three questions of the math? Dude, I don't know. That April, that comes down to just like you just double checking your work as you go along. Because it's probably not conceptually. That's probably not why you're hyperventilating. That's okay, bro. Now's the time to get it out of your system. So go ahead and do it, dude. Ratio. What's your ELA? Oh, probably not to me. Hard exponents, ratio, poems, word problems. Another word problem one. Advanced algebra problems. All right, we can do some word problems. Some more ratio from Xiao. Okay. Yeah, we can definitely do that. Can we do the most common questions? Yeah. I mean, that's generally what this channel is 24/7, dude, is the most common questions. Like, we're not doing trig, much to Tejas' delight. Leo. Dude. Okay. Advice for ELA? Yeah, take ELA second, Nahar. That's what it sounds like for you, dude. Oh, what's up, Chad Hurry? Mm. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Um, so we can do ratio. All right, so let me whip up a ratio problem really quick. And dudes, just so you know, I reuse my paper, but I just reuse it as scratch paper. I like use the other side. But for the videos, like you can totally see through it. So I thought that looked bad. So I always get new pieces. Okay, so let me see here. 2, 5, 3, 3 to 3. That'd be 6. Okay. Okay. All right. Bad start. We're gonna start again. All right. Mm, let's see. This is actually turning out to be a really weird problem. I'm gonna make sure the wording's right, so I'm gonna do it again. Dude, yeah, the prominent. That's called vernacular, dude. That stuff's really hard. 10 times 4 times 3 and 10 times 3 times 2. Find the greatest common factor. Yes, Ricky. To answer your question, yes, dude. Um, okay. So let me get actually back here so I can reread this. It just turned out really weird. Ratio of B to R is 2 to 5. The let's see. So that would be, so that'd be, more. Hold on, this is gonna be a good problem, I promise. 12. Okay. All right, good, dude. Here's a really good problem. I'm sorry. I'm sorry this took so long. 2D in the upcoming weeks. Can we have basic streams like finding GCM and LCM? Yeah, we can do that today, April. That's a really good idea, actually, April. Thanks. Dude, that's cool about learning languages, Laurel. Good for you, bro. Yeah, exactly. We can do that, April. Just remind me. Okay, so here's the question. Let me get into the video here. All right, so here's the question. Let me clean my camera off. It's like all whack. All right, so cool. Let's get it. The ratio of B to R is 2 to 5. The ratio of G to R is 7 to 3. There are 224 total items. How many B's do I remove so that the B to G ratio is 1 to 20? Ooh. And I'll give you guys like 3 minutes for this. Yeah, dude, we can do GCFs after this, bro. It's actually really easy. Generally, they do have clocks in the room, yeah. And I'll give you guys a little bit more. All right, I'll give you guys like another minute and a half on this one. Oh, you're in band, Shad? Nice, dude. All right, so Pew's got 4. Oh. uh, Pews. Oh, tragedy of Pews. Oh no. All right, that's enough time. Oh wait, no, I'll give you another 30 seconds. Okay, Tejas has 16. That's Tejas. You can't answer it? Yeah, you can, Zhao. Oh, that's okay. Tejas does not like that answer. 4.25, that's going to be skills. Got you, dude. All right, so that is about enough time. That's about enough time. So, wow. Did I stump you guys? What's up, Logan? Hey, man. F in the chat for this problem, for sure. Okay, Ghost Asphalt thinks 51, and that's Ghost. Got you, bro. 48 from Zhao. Dude, did I stump the chat? Skills, you can't change your answer, bro. Shad got 17. Okay. You give up. Cred hits, got it too. Nice. Ghost Asphalt, I got you, bro. Okay, cool. Wow. Dude, this was a hard problem. I recognize that this was a hard problem. Leo got 51. Oh, Ghost also got 51. Leo. Cool, man. You're not too dumb for this, Ricky. It's just, this is how they're going to try to do you, bro. So just be on the lookout for this. Yeah, just be on the lookout for it. Cool. Serious music, please? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we'll go over this, Asta Labor, so don't even trip. Speaking of, let's actually just go over this now. Okay, so with this type of thing, you need to set up the ratios, so yeah, so that they're equal to each other. You know what I mean? So yeah. Let me set these up. So we are going to be B to R to G. Okay. You did this in your head? Oh, dude, thanks, Shot. Yeah, definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely appreciate all of the, yeah, appreciate all of it. So yeah, let me go into it. So we have B to R to G. In this first one, it's going to be 2 to 5. And the second one is going to be R is 3 and G is 7. So now that when you line up your stuff like this, it's like much more easy, dude. Trust. So now we just need to make this R the same so we can compare them. I'm going to times this top one by 3 over 3. And times this bottom one by 5. Cool. And now we can work. Now we have like an ability to kind of compare all of these numbers to each other, right? So now we can see what they add up to. These are going to add up to 40, 56. They're going to add up to 56. So we know there's 224 total. 24, 6, 250. It's going to be times 4, guys. So really all of these numbers are times 4. That means there's 24 blue. There's going to be 60 red. I don't need to do that. And there's going to be times 4, 120, 140 green. So really all we care about are this B to G, because it's going to be 24 to 140. And what we want it to be is 1 to 20. So how many do we remove? Oh wait, this is 140. So how many do we remove? Well, let's kind of see how we get from 140 to 20 and how we get from 24 to 1. Well, for 20, that's going to be dividing by 7. You know what I mean? So if we divide, or if we just need this to be 20 and we need, or I'm sorry, let me back up because I didn't want to give this away, but I'll just go ahead and explain it straight up. If we have 24 to 140, that's going to reduce, that would be 12 to 70, that would be 6 to 35, and that's about as far as you go, 6 to 35. But if this here is 7, then, and this is 140, then that would reduce to this, because 1 over 1 to 1 compared to 20 is the same as 7 to 140. Do you see what I'm saying? So how many do we need to subtract to get this 24 to be a 7? 17. Bang. Bang. You did it in your head, Tejas, and you got curved, bro. Yeah. Yeah, so that's how this one goes down. Shout out to Sean. Shout out to Cred. Do you guys want to do a redemption, dude? Yeah, it's 17, Tammy. You're 1 off. Tejas. Sorry, bro. Did it in your head and you got swerved. We need a redemption. Does this make sense to you before we go into the redemption, though? Like, does this make sense? Yeah, I know. Pew's got it right away. Pew's put 4 and then immediately put 17. So, shout out to Pew's for sure. Definitely shout out to Pew's. Yeah. So yeah, that's how this one goes down. Should we do a redemption? Should we do a redemption? Yeah. I think we should. Probably. Yeah. We probably should do a redemption. Okay, cool. So hopefully it does make sense though. You have no idea what to study for the math? Just go to my website, dude. And if you're really still stuck, you can send me an email. Definitely F in the chat for Pews, dude. He was so good. Otherwise, you just were a little too quick on the draw for your answer there, bro. All right, so let me put together another one that'll be kind of chill. Let me see. So it would be CISO Hall of Fame inducing questions, dude. That one that we just did apparently, because nobody else could get it, bro. So let me look through this one. Yes, redemption time. Let me see here. Okay, so it would be, let's see, A, B, S, C, let's say 1, 7, 1, 1, new. So then that would be type 3, 28, 28. Let's see. How'd I get 6 for blue? Let me just finish this problem and I'll talk about it. Okay. So then it would be, or, okay, so, okay, cool. That would be sick, actually. All right, cool. Let's do that one. Dude, thanks. I think thanks. I don't honestly know how to respond to that. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's see here. Let's see. Let me see here. Okay. Pen spinning is so hard. Dude, I know, bro. Okay, cool. So if there are... Okay. All right, so here's the question. Okay. All right, bruh. Okay, cool. So here's the question. Guys, here's your redemption. No excuses. Set them up. Find your multiplier, knock them down. Let's go. Yeah, that's actually true, Legends. Exactly. Yeah, Wiz, you're a little late, bruh. Why did he do the ratios 6 to 15? Because they, Chad Harry, because they actually, this is how they give ratios, where you have to adjust them to compare them. So that's the reason why I do them too. For 9th grade, you need a little bit more. It's all of those topics plus what you learned in the 9th grade. Okay, so Pews already has an answer. Let me get my pen here. Dude, Pews is feeling it. Pews is feeling it. Pews. Cred. Dude, nice a boss. Who needs homework, dude? Skills. Zhao. Whoa. Yep. Okay, I'll give you guys like another like 45 seconds on this. Animation. Legend. Xiao, already got you, bro. Prominent. Word. Wow, a lot of answers. Laurel. Do the redemption. Do the redemption. Rodney. I'm assuming this is right. I could also just be getting bandwagoned. Tajin. Like Cajun. Animation, I already got you, bruh. Ramisha? Ramisa, my bad. Ramisa. Got you. All right, cool. That's enough time. Dude, hopefully you guys got it. Tejas, very excellent presentation. Dude, it's okay. We'll go over it, Astalabor. There's still time. Nahar. Rafi. Yeah, nice, bros. Nice. Shade, cool, bro. Yes. Good. Good. I'm pumped. The redemption is absolutely real. Lou, or I'll just go you, Ethan. Got you, bro. Nice. Own a bullet journal? No. Study. Nice. All right, so everybody crushed up on this, so I'll show you guys how to go through this. Oh, Vena. Can't forget. Can't forget the OG. Let's see. Okay, cool. So let's go into this. How to do this. Bang. All right, so obviously you're going to want to set up your ratios first, and that's what we're going to do. Oh, Henry. Let me write that down too. Oh, did I forget you write April? What'd you write, April? What'd you get? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm not going to write down your answer, April, until I know what your answer is. Okay, cool. So let's go. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set up the ratios and we're going to compare them to each other. So A to B to C, A to B is 1 to 7, B to C is 21 to 2. Almost got twisted up there. So I'm going to need to multiply this top one by 3, and then it's going to be 3 to 21 to 2. So how many is that total? 26. And there's a total of how many items? 78. So if we take that 78 and we divide it by 26, bros, we're going to get 3. 18. Yep. So the multiplier is 3. They simplified their ratio by 3. So really, this is the simplified version. What the real ratio is 9 to 63 to 6. That's the real ratio. So what we want is B to A to be 6 to 1. Or what we want is this A to B to be 1 to 6. So how do we get from 63 to 6? Well, it has to be divided by 9. So to get from here to here, it's going to be times 9. So to get from here to here is going to be times 9 too. And look at it is. So, oh, actually, does that work out? Oh, that would be 7. Actually, yeah, that'd be 7. So screw that. This actually doesn't work out like that. So what we need to do is figure out how this would reduce into a 6, basically. So people have been saying it was 9. How many B's must I take away? 9? Okay, well, if I take away 9 B's, what I end up getting is 54 to 9. And what that reduces to is 1 to 6. The absolute legends. Wow. What a time to be alive. All these people got it right. The redemption is real. The redemption is absolutely real. Yeah. Dude, supplies are so pricey. Tell me about it. Bruhs. Constantly buying supplies. Okay. Yeah, so that's how that one goes down. Everybody got it though. So congrats. Yay. Yay. Everybody who got it right, pat yourself on the back. If you didn't get it right, hang your head in shame, but only for a minute because it's time to keep grinding. What should we work on next? Let's see. What should we work on next? Ironic ending? Dude. Yeah. Iconic ending. Dude, it's not over yet. I'm still down. Why do you have to multiply 3 and 21 by 2? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. All right. So what we have, and then I'll just break this down really, really quickly, just in case if there's anybody out there who's just kind of watching who's still a little confused. Let's talk about ratios and the nature of ratios. So let's say that I have a ratio that is 16 to 80. They'll never give you a ratio like this. They will reduce it. Even if there's 16 berries and 80 trees or whatever, you know what I mean? So let's just say that there are 16 A's and 80 B. 80 B's. They're not going to give you this. because they're going to reduce this. They're going to reduce this to 2 to 10 and then reduce it even further, 1 to 5. They're going to reduce it. So when they give you this ratio, 1 to 5, and they say that there's a total of 76 things, well, that makes sense here. But how do I go from the reduced ratio to figuring out how much each of these are? Well, notice that they each get reduced by the same amount at each step. We reduce each by 8, then we reduce each by 2. So what we end up doing is we have 1x plus 5x equals 76. And what this x stands for is how many times did we reduce it? Well, for here, we reduced it 8 times then 2 times. Or in total, we reduced this by dividing each of these by 16. So if we were to multiply each of these by 16, what we end up getting is, well, 6x equals 76. And if you solve for x, you also get that number. That's 16. So then you can go back, plug it in to each of the x's, and yeah, it will work out that you'll get your 80 to 16. So whenever they give you a ratio, they're going to give it to you in the simplified version. But if they give you the total amount of things, then you can set up an algebra equation where you add the two together. Then you can get it down. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Dude, no way you've gotten worse, Laurel. Dude, I know. Yeah. Dude, so hopefully that makes sense to everybody. Yeah. So, yeah. 96. Oh, is it 96? Did I really mess that up? Ah, it's 96. Okay. All right. All right. That was me tricking you guys. I was definitely seeing if the chat was paying attention. And good job, chat. The chat was paying attention. That was me checking you guys. So good work. You passed the check today. Generally once a day, I like to check you guys to make sure you're paying attention. So good work. Whoever pointed that out first, everybody else, whatever. Okay, so that's how ratios are. They'll give it just like fractions. They will give them to you reduced. So you just got to find what the multiplier is, just like similar shapes and all that stuff. Yeah, so that's how that goes down. I can think of like a super hard ratio problem to give you guys, but is there anything else that you guys would want to work on? Yeah, it was a test. Yeah. Yeah. That's right, Ghost. Thanks, Rafi, for believing me. Yeah. I don't have any poems ready, Rachel. That's what the real tragedy is that I don't have any poems ready. Otherwise we would. Maybe we'll do them tomorrow since I know you guys want one. Yeah, I'll do one tomorrow. If you guys will be here tomorrow, I'll do a poem for you guys. Wow. Tejas, that's really deep, dude. That's really deep, man. If the real redemption is the friends we made on the way, then if the redemption is real, then the friends you made are real. Okay. All right. Oh, you have A+ tomorrow? Then maybe we'll do poems on Friday, Rachel. If you want to do them so bad. Maybe we'll do like grammar tomorrow and do poems on Friday. Or something like that. There was a question I gave Tejas, and then I think he sent it to Shad. And I kind of want to do it here because someone asked for inscribed circles, and I think this problem's really good. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude, this is like one of the worst. Oh, really? Asked to the board? Well, you can always send me an email. Oh, dude, you want to do greatest common factor? Yeah, let's do that. Let's actually do that. 2K on the grind. Let's get it. Let's do GCF, dude. Let's do GCF. And then we'll do a super hard function or something. Then, yeah, actually, Henry, that is what that means, bro. Genzo, I notice you, bro. I see you. You are seen. What? Yeah, that's a really good point, Rachel. I should just be playing with a cute dog right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. All right, so let's do GCF. Um, um, Hold on, let me put a problem together. That'll be good. Let's see. Okay, and then okay. All right, cool. Here's an example question. They'd probably throw this into the first thing. Well, Ghost, I'm gonna do it afterwards, bro. You made Shot addicted to Shibas. Me too, man. Honestly. All right, so let's get it. Here's the question. Super kind of simple. Nothing, no real trick in this that you guys can really see. Um, it's just classic SHSAT problem. Let's get it. Dude, I got you, Asta Labor. Don't even trip. I got you with industrial cooling tape, bruh. And don't even worry, Ghost Asphalt. I'll send you some DoorDash, dude. Don't even trip. Okay, yeah. So we got some answers coming in. Pew's got 35. Hopefully he doesn't regret this answer. I'll give you guys like another 45 seconds. Cred hits. Dude, Cred, you've been crushing it up too, dude. Cred hits. Nice. Okay, Xiao. Skills. Shade. Nice, dude. Nice. Nice. Asta Labar. Dude, Henry. Genzo. Brielle. Let's see. Pews, you don't regret anything? Good for you, bro. Nor should you regret everything. Anything. Let's see. Ramen. Dude, everybody's getting this. Space, animation space. Shout out to you. Nahar. Nice. Havocs. Dude. Dude, that sounds like a great idea, Rachel. Really, really nice. Ghost. Legend. Legend. Dude, nice. Brielle, I think I got you already. Nice. Zrizzy. Dude, everybody crushed this one. Such a good job. Okay, so I noticed I didn't see April's name and she asked about this, so let's actually get into how to do this because I trust that more people are going to be coming with the answer for sure. So the way that you do this is prime factorization. So 210. What does that break into? 21, 10, 5, 2, 7, 3. Circle, 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 circle. So another way to say 210 is 7 times 3 times 5 times 2. Another way to say 175 is 25. What would that even be? And 7. And then this would just be 5 and 5. So we got 5 and 5 and 7. So to find the greatest common factor, you just match. That's all you do. So we got a 7. We got a 5. 7 times 5, 35. We're home. That's it, dude. Shout out to Shad. I see you, Sport Show. Oh, I see. Sorry, April. Shout out to April for sure. I'm sorry. Dude, I'm sorry. Oh, April, you even dropped an explanation? Oof. That's on me, bro. Next. Next is right, dude. That was too much of a crush. Tootie. Do the upside down birthday cake method. I think that's faster. Oh. Well, if you have another way that's like faster, dude, do it. Like I tell most of my students, if you could slam your head on the desk and that gave you the correct answer to the question you were working on, I would say do that 114 times and just get into sty. You know what I mean? That's a really good score, Swift King. That's what that is. Venna, shout out to Venna too. We are home. Yep, if you can't be divided anymore, which basically means a prime number, bro. Yeah. No, I do not have a Google Classroom. Sean wants to do a function question. We can do a function question, dude. Yeah, we can definitely do a function question. Yeah, that's what that is. The code that you got is a discount code for private tutoring. Yeah, I do not have a Google Classroom now. Yep, that's exactly it. What if someone took that seriously? I don't know, bro. What about my name? I don't have a Google. No, I don't have a Google Classroom. I don't know why you thought that. Yeah, me too. Cred hits. I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah. So, dude, I mean, I should really say when you guys get into a specialized high school, make sure to come back to the channel and comment so I can like celebrate with you guys. I'm really pumped about that. Dude, that's really good, Skills. That's extremely good. You're super close to perfect, dude. I do need a Google Classroom. I need a lot of things, dude. I need a microphone that works. How about that? Function questions. Okay, you guys want to do a function questions. All right, cool. Let me give you one more. A secret one? No, I don't. The only thing that's kind of secret is make one. I don't even know. Should I? I don't know. I don't even know. What a time to be alive. All right, let me throw a function question your way. Actually, let me get a really good one. I don't want to throw some crap one at you. So just hold on. Let me like look one up from my great stores of questions that I do over the winter. Let's see. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. There we go. Okay, this is a really good one. All right, I think it will also throw you guys a little bit. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Henry. Yeah, if everyone donates 1 penny, cool. Yeah, I guess you guys could. Oh, is it really that? I mean, I guess I could. Yeah, you can make a, yeah, you guys can make a petition. All right, let me put this problem together. So f of x equals a squared plus 24. So let's see. Oh, sorry, I just made this unbeautiful, but whatever. F of 4. Okay, so here's your function question. Here's your very difficult. Oh my gosh, you guys really want a Google Classroom? Oh my god. Dude, the chat is going absolutely insane. What? Thank you, Rachel, for giving me a Shiba. Oh my gosh, what is a Google Classroom? And do I need to get one? Ghost Asphalt forgot to push control, so he just got a V. Or command or whatever. Dang. All right. I didn't know that was a thing. I honestly, if I knew you guys wanted it that badly, I would have gotten one, but I didn't even know. Go and make one? Oh my gosh. All right. I gotta look up Google Classrooms, I guess. Wow. Do they do ads like YouTube? Okay. All right, chat. Let me give you something to chew on so you can stop spamming the chat. Here we go. F of x equals a to the x squared plus 24. That is a 2, not a z. A is an integer. F of 4 is 8. What is f of negative 4? Dude. Dude, oh my god. 43 minus pi? Wiz, you're wrong, bruh. There's no pi. My gosh. It's free and no ads? Okay. Yeah, you can make me the teacher. That's cool. I'll do that, Leo. Yeah, I can do that. Maybe I should. I mean, there is the Discord. In the link of the video, if you look, you guys can check out the link for the Discord. And people are constantly grinding on that. Yeah, I told you this was going to be very hard, bro. Okay, Astrolabor's got an answer of -8. Nice. Henry got +8. Okay. Okay, Zrizzy, Legend, Word. Sport Show's got a Google Classroom code already. Wow. Brielle got -8. Got you. So it looks like we're going in between these two. Huh? Fall. What's up, Fall? Um, Xiao, Skills. Word. Rachel. And we'll do poetry on Friday, Rachel, if you're around. Cred, already got you, I think. No, I didn't. Cred. Word. Rona. Okay. Okay. Nazir, Shad. Word. All right. You have my personal email, Leo. You have it. Oh, I don't know why that got caught up in the filter, Astelabor. There we go. You can get assignments and stuff? Interesting. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, I got you. Havoc's -8. All right, word. Okay, cool. Legend, did I get you already? No. I already got you for +8, bro. Okay, cool. So let's get into this. Rodney, I see you. Shout out to Rodney. Actually, I'll just put your answer here, dude. I got you. Dude, nice. Also, don't forget to smash that like button if you love studying during the summer. Venna, oh no, it's not the summer anymore. That's what I would used to say during the summer. Just smash that like button if you like studying. Okay, cool. So that's enough. I'm gonna go into the answers. Yeah. How I got 32, I don't know, Venna. You gotta check your multiplication because, dude, conceptually, you got everything. The only thing you're gonna get wrong is execution, bruh. So, all right, let's go into it. Evan, last one. Okay, cool. Got you, Evan. Or I'm sorry, that's not Evan. That's Ethan. My bad. All right, Ethan, got you, bro. All right, cool, man. You invited? Thanks, man. All right, so let's go into this, dudes. So when we plug in 4 for x, we get 8. So 8 is going to equal, now I'm going to plug in 4 from x over here. A to the 4 squared plus 24. 8 equals 16a plus 24. So I'm going to subtract 24, subtract 24. -16 equals 16a. A equals -1. That's what I got. Okay, cool. So, dude, did I miss April again? Oh, that's funny. All right, I'm just trying to approve all these comments. I don't know why my spam filter is like as soon as I got monetized, my filter just got crazy. I don't know if YouTube did that or if that's just like a standard thing, but yeah, like the filter just picks up everything now. Like every single one of Leo's posts, it's picking up. That's why he's spamming it. Okay, cool. All right, that's too bad, Paul. Well, you're here in spirit. All right, so A is -1. Let me double check my work there. That's gonna be 16. That's gonna be 24. Yeah, that's good to go. So if A is -1, then we know that our f of x equation is this. It's going to be f of x equals -x squared plus 24. So now we need to figure out what f of -4 is. That's going to be -1 times -4 squared plus 24. That's going to be f of -4 is going to be -1 times 16 plus 24. F of -4 is going to be -16 plus 24. Yeah, the answer is going to be +8. Nice. Good job, bros. And I could see why people would say it would be -8, just because if f of +4 equals +8, f of -4 might equal -8. I totally get that. But with functions and with squares, your best bet is to actually just multiply it through. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's how this one goes down. Yeah. All right, chill. So yeah, that was the function question. Should I get a harder one going? Like a harder function question? Ooh. Okay, that's a really good one. This is a good one too. Ooh, a lot of really good function questions, bros. Let me get a good one though. It's really functiony. Well, they don't have that many actually. A lot of. Oh, I see. It's ooh. Ooh. Okay, this is a good one. Let's do this one next. All right, bros. Yeah, well, dude, keep studying Band Legend because Bronx Science, it's not full of like kids who are like weird. It's like normal kids who are just working really hard, and definitely some smart kids too. Okay, cool. Let's see. History paper. I don't know, bro. What's up, Sultana? Okay, cool. Yeah, exactly right. So let me whip up this problem really quick. So let's say. This might be too hard for you guys. Let me see if this is too hard. So if that's, yeah, this might be too hard. Hold on. Let me fix it so it's a little easier. Okay, so let's say this. Hold on, let me, this guy. Okay, cool. Okay. All right, bros. Here is the problem. Let me see. This will not be impossible to answer, but it's going to be pretty easy. Let's see here. Okay, cool. Here is the question. All right, word. Let's get it. So function question. F of x equals 1 over the quantity of 7x plus 3 times the quantity of 1 minus x minus 3 times the quantity of x plus 1. For which value of x is f of x undefined? Let's get it. Okay. All right. right. We'll see if you're right. What do I have? 2 papers? I have a ton of papers, bro. That's just how it goes. Zal thinks that's okay. All right, I think you're a little off, but okay. Okay, Rodney's got 0. Auditioning, Xiao, Pews, wow. Dude, wow. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is not a graph. This actually could not be graphed, actually, with that value. Yeah, it's Rizzy, Leo. Dude, you guys are absolutely crushing this. April. Nahar. Let's see. Auditioning, Sultana. All right, dude. Everybody got this one. Wow. Animation. Dude, wow. Really nice, guys. Really, really nice. Okay, so I tried to trick you guys. You guys did not fall for it. Brielle, I got you. Okay, cool. Everybody's got this, basically. -2 for Rachel. Yeah, I can put -2. There you go. All right, so let's get this. Let's reduce this top part. Because if anything is over 0, that's what undefined is. Why? Because if you have 1 divided by 0, how many times does 0 go into 1? 1 times 0, remainder of 1, bring down the 10, it goes in 3. You see what I'm saying? It's like a little bit more difficult. Where if I have 0 divided by 1, what that would be is just 0, 0, 0. So whenever you have a 0 on the bottom, that means you can't actually play ball. So let's go through this and let's see what would equal 0. 7x plus, I'm gonna go ahead and distribute 3x minus 3 minus 3x minus 3x plus a -3. So 7x minus 3x will equal x. 3 minus -3 is 0. So x equals 0, then the whole thing will equal 0. Then yeah, that's the right answer. Nice. Nice. Dude, my handwriting is so bad. But shout out to everybody who got it right, and shout out to the people in the chat that I didn't have time to write it down. But just know that I see you, I appreciate you. Yeah. All right, bros. That's it. We're gonna wrap it up. So don't forget, we have a Discord, so definitely check out the Discord for sure. I guess there's a Google Classroom coming up that everybody's kind of putting together. I don't really know which one I'm going to do yet, but I'll definitely jump into one of those once it's kind of more established or whatever. But yeah, I'm happy to keep grinding. But today I got to go. I got to prep for this next tutoring session. There's like a ton of prep I got to do for it. But here is my email. Here is like how you can reach out to me or whatever. It's the iconic ending, bro. So yeah, join the Discord if you want to keep grinding. The people in the Discord, man, are pretty smart, dude. Same thing with this chat. A lot of the OGs are in here. That's really nice, Animation Space. I'm proud of you, bro. I'm making you better recognition. Maybe I should just hire one of you guys to write down all the names in the chat. That would actually be kind of sick. Yeah, dude. So, all right, man. I am going to get out of here. Really good work today. We're going to be back grinding at 6 p.m. tomorrow. Probably going to do some ELA. Probably going to do some grammar and stuff. But yeah, dudes, good work today. If you have any other questions, hit me up via email. I got you. Peace.